Okay, then let's have a go at this, solving this equation. What we're going to use is we're going to do this problem here in one particular method. We're going to rearrange this equation for x equals, and then we'll sub it in here, and we'll have an equation in y. Then we solve that equation in y to get the value for y, and then we can sub that value back in either here or here in this equation to then find out the value of x. And then we can put the values in to check it's correct. So let's do that then. That was in words, now let's just do it in practice. So we'll rearrange this equation for x. So here, 1 gives, so leave the 2x as is, leave the 16 as is, and move the 3y across to minus 3y. When you move it through the equals, you flip the sign. Now it's 2 times, so move the 2 from times on that side to divide on the other side. So the whole side gets divided by 2. Okay, that's x. So now we sub it into equation 2. So sub 3 into 2 gives, so here 5 lots of this, so 5 lots of this object, more than a simple term, so put a bracket around it, 16 minus 3y over 2, 5 lots of that, the x's, minus 2 lots of y then is equal to 2. Now you can see we've got an equation in y. We've done these before, so if we scale up by 2 all the way through, and let's see what we get, because that will get rid of this fractional term underneath. So 2 of these, the 2 underneath will disappear then, won't it, cancel, and we'll be left with 5 lots of the top. 2 of these is minus 4 lots of y, isn't it? Equals 2 of these, 4. 2 of these then, 2 of these equals 2 of those. We've scaled the whole equation up by a factor of 2. We've got that. Now we can expand the bracket. 5 16s are 80. Tap it in the calculator if you need to. 5 minus 3 is a minus 15 lots of y. Minus another 4y here equals to 4. Minus 19y. Minus 19y. We've got the 80. And that equals 4. So let's move things around then. Again, we'll move the minus 19 through the equals to be plus 19. We'll leave the 80 as is, and also move the 4 across to minus 4. That's 76 there, isn't it? It's 19y. So we can swap that around the other way, or in other words, 19y equals 76. And lastly, move the times 19 from times to divide on the other side. 76 over 19 is 4. So y equals 4. Now if y equals 4 we can get x now, can't we? Very easily from either one of these. Which one is the easiest? I'm going to choose number 2. So 5x minus 2y equals 2. So sub y equals 4 into equation 2 gives, so what do we get for equation 2? Let's have a look. So we could have chosen either of them. 5x minus 2y equals 2. 5x minus 2y equals 2. And we found out that y value was 4, so we're subbing it in. So 5x minus 2 4s are 8 equals 2. So we've got that. Move the 8 over, minus 8 to plus 8. So it becomes plus 8 plus 2 is 10. And then we can just take the 5 from times to divide. 10 over 5. From times to divide, 10 over 5 is 2. So here y equals 4. And here x equals 2. So x is 2, y is 4. Now we can check it. X is 2, y is 4. So quick check. 2 and 4. 4 and 12 is 16. 2 and 4. 10. 5 2s are 10. Minus 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So yep, everything is good. And the check works. So we know the answer is correct. Y equals 4 and x equals 2.